Welcome to our automation interface. Developed in VBA using functionalities of Excel and SAP GUI scripting. Offering the users a common interface to record and execute SAP processes. Let's start by pressing this button. This logs you onto SAP with your credentials. The Setup button is used to enter the one-time details like user ID, password, etc. All your automations are classified by modules. Change the module. Descriptions will dynamically change. All this depends on index sheet. Details of your process entered into the index sheet will dynamically update the drop-downs. In this video we will show you material reservations automation, bulk process. During this process you will also see VBA code and SAP GUI script adjustments. There will be 3 test runs each starting with creation of material reservation. MIGO, good issue, process and posting. Finally the Excel table will be updated with the SAP document numbers. SAP block attempt to post a reservation dated 18 April 2026, which is Saturday. You cannot post a transaction on holidays. SAP suggests the posting date as April 20th, 2026 Monday. This requires a recording in SAP GUI scripting and a subsequent adjustment in VBA code. Recording SAP GUI scripts provides a built-in method for automating repetitive interactions without requiring deep programming expertise. The primary advantages include ease of use. Users can record actions step by step to generate a VB script automatically, requiring minimal to no initial coding knowledge. Time efficiency. Automates time-consuming tasks like mass data entry, report generation, and system testing, significantly reducing manual effort. This is the way to make your VBA code intelligent. Pick the posting date which SAP has suggested. Next we will replace the wrong posting date with the right one, SAP's 3 variables value. SAP GUI scripting is highly adaptable in VBA, as both use a nearly identical syntax based on the Visual Basic engine. Most scripts recorded directly in the SAP GUI, saved as .vbs files, can be copied and pasted into a VBA module with only minor modifications. Core adaptability features. High syntax compatibility. SAP GUI scripts are recorded in VBScript, which is a subset of VBA. Direct interaction. VBA can call the SAP GUI scripting API to control SAP windows, enter data, and extract information directly into Excel worksheets. Dynamic customization. While recorded scripts use hard-coded values, VBA allows you to replace these with variables, loops, to process multiple rows of data, and conditional logic. Before we proceed to the third and final test run, let's see what are the key components of this system, and how these components are integrated. The execute button executes the main procedure and determines the subroutine to pass the control to. As you can see, there is a do while loop to perform the subroutine until a blank row encounters. It supplies to the subroutine the values of all the parameters. So in this walkthrough, we didn't just execute an SAP process, we experienced how it behaves in real scenarios. From reservation creation to goods issue, and even incorrect attempts, each step highlighted how important correct execution is. One key takeaway: reservation is only a commitment, while goods issue is the actual stock movement. And as we saw, manual execution can easily lead to errors and inconsistencies. That's where automation becomes powerful, ensuring accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. In the next video, we'll take this further by building a complete automated solution step by step.